Everyone. This is the section wherein I will be discussing about the WordPress, and I'll be making two videos on WordPress because I don't think one video will suffice to cover all the options which are there in the WordPress. So here is video one, and then please watch the video two as well to have the complete view of the WordPress options. So let's jump on the first video content, and this is I'll be covering the overview of the WordPress options which are available, and I'll be taking help of my own website, which is managerenhance.com, to show you the options which are there. Mind that I have used a Thrive theme in this, and this Thrive theme I have given, this is a paid theme, and I have given a link of it for free download in the description of this video. So do check that and download and upload it for your usage, right? So let's jump on the options which are there in the WordPress and how you can make and create your website and beautify it further. So first option is the visit site. So if you right click on your visit site option, you can see your website in time. So this is option you to see what changes you have made and how it is reflecting back on your website, right? So once this is done, you can come to the dashboard section. So this is the home, basically the home thing of your WordPress. So anytime you're on any section, just click on dashboard and you will be back to this this GUI, basically. So this is the WordPress dashboard. So from here you can go to any of the sections. So if you go to updates, update section is basically about the WordPress updates. So there is one update which I can do at any time. Keep your WordPress updated because it will have new options in it, and it will be useful for you to actually create or add some more options to your website. Okay. Now the section which I will be discussing is the post. So what is post? If post is a section wherein you create your blog type of content. So content which is coming one after the other like this. So this section has three blogs, like one, this one, two, and there's three. So this is the type of blog which has a scrolling option, which has a comment section over here. So if you go inside any of the blogs, it will have the comment section at the bottom. So this is how you can create your blogs. So blogs could be created inside the posts. So if you click on posts, okay, and then if you want to create a new post, you can click on add new over here. Okay, just click on add new, and so here you will be able to create a new post. So title you can add over here, and then you can start typing over here any of your content. So something like this. Again, if you want to create a blog with a heading like 3 steps to create, so you just copy it, and you can just paste it over here. And similarly, like, you can start typing over here. If you want to add any image in between, you can add it over here. When you will publish it, it will be coming up as this. Okay, so this is how you can create a simple post of yours. Categories is a section which is used to club your content at one place. So for example, inside theory menu, there is a section which says website planning and creation. So website planning and creation is basically a category in which I have clubbed 3 posts, right? So this is how you can club your post under a single category. So email marketing, lead generation for business, all these are categories, and in each section I have clubbed couple of blogs so that they come under this section. So say for example, website planning and creation, if you go inside this category, see category archives, and you will be able to see there are 3 blogs like top 9 dashboards, 4 steps to setup, and 3 steps to setup. So all these are basically the posts which are clubbed with the help of the categories under a single section. So if you go into the categories, you will see that there are certain categories that I have made, and one of the categories is website planning and creation, which I have selected for my first menu option. So if I go into posts and I show you how to select a category, go into post, go inside any of the posts. Say for example, you're going in 3 steps to create and design a website. So if you are inside this post, how to select a category. So first you need to create categories in the category section. Once you have created the categories, come to your post. And if you want to attach this post to a particular category, go inside the setting sections. Okay. So this is a setting section. Scroll down and there is a category option over here. You just need to select the category over here, right? So what I have selected is one of the categories, which is digital marketing overview, right? So this is how it will come up. Okay, so this is how you can do it, right? And just you need to publish it, and it will be selected inside that category, right? Same is the case with tags. So if you want to attach your post with the tags, you can do with that as well. So categories tags almost have the same function. It is just that you can use either of them to actually tag your posts. Okay, media is the section wherein you can upload your media, you can upload your video, you can upload your images, and you can use it later anywhere in your post while you're creating the website. So it's easy and super simple. Pages section. Now this is section is important because here you can create some static pages for your website. For example, my home page is a static page I have created using this section. So if I go inside all pages, right, and if I go inside home page, so over here if I go to the edit, and this is my home page, right? So this is my home page looks like, okay, and this page I have created inside my edit option of the page. Now the thing is that I have created this page not using the WordPress editor, but I have used it using a Thrive Architect, right? So if I click on Thrive Architect, so you will see that I will have an option to edit my homepage as in I like. So I can add options over here. I can make it beautiful because home pages should be as much as creative as you could, because that's the first thing that people will see about your website. So once you create these things, so if you see over here again, you have all the options to actually edit them. So these are all editable parts, right? And you see all these things could be added, and these are simple drag and drop options. So you get all the options over here. You see in this plus menu you have all the options over here, so you can edit that section anytime, right? So this is how you can edit your static pages. Make your static pages as beautiful as possible, because these are important, and these are important for your website, and people will be coming back again and again if you have a beautiful website and if you have quality content on it, right? So this is a pages section. I'll cover more while I will be discussing the Thrive theme, and I will be discussing Thrive Architect in that. Comment section is basically the comments which you receive on your blogs. So in this section, you can approve them if they are genuine, and if they are some spam, you can just spam them or trash them. So this is again, you can do that. There is Thrive Lightbox. Again, this I'll cover in Thrive theme options, focus areas, Thrive opt-ins. These are again I'll discuss afterwards. Appearances, themes is a theme is a section wherein you can give your website some um, design. So this is how you can select themes from here. So there are a couple of themes, and if you want to add a new theme, so just click on add. Mind you that I have selected Pressive theme right now, right? So there are a couple of themes, and depending upon your requirement, you can select the theme from here, and then perhaps you can start editing the website using that theme, right? If you have a paid theme, or if you download the paid theme from my description menu, the Pressive theme, you will get a zip file in your computer, and then you can upload that zip file through this upload theme option over here. You just need to choose the file from your computer, and that's it. Once you download it, activate it, it will appear up in your theme section, right? So it will appear up over here, somewhere here. Cool. And there's one important thing, that there is a new version available for this Pressive theme, and there is an option for update now. So regularly you will get an option to update your theme. So keep a check, because there are certain options which will stop working in the previous option, in the previous version, and there will be certain option which will be added in the new version. So if you find anything like it is the functions are not working as you have expected, then you can check over here that there is update now an option, and do update that, and most of the time the problem gets resolved using this update now option over here in the theme section. So keep a check on that. Okay. Customize section is, again, you can customize the name of your title of your website, and then description of your website, how it will be coming up in the search engine um, search results basically. And if you go to the home page, and so this is the title of the page, like home management and learn digital marketing skills, which is coming at the top over here, you see. right? So this is the title of your page. So, and the title of the page could be changed. Let it open. So there is an option over here to change the site title, right? Right. So site identity. If you go into site identity, okay. So site title over here. So you have an option to change the site title and then the tagline as well. So these two are important from the SEO point of view. So keep a check and do update them, and try to include the keywords which are related to your website into the site title, because these are important, right? Again, I will be covering other options in the next video, so stay tuned and do check my second video on WordPress. It will cover all the other options which will be there, and I will be also talking about the Thrive theme as well on that, so you can add some additional options on your website. Keep learning, and see you in the next video.